Hey girl, what's tea? If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is D Lowery. Um, Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share this video. Tell me what you think about it for real. My stomach hurt. So for breakfast, I had a protein shake from Smoothie King, the kid size, and then I had an egg white from Chick-fil-A. I think it was that cheese for real. Like my stomach hurt. But anyway, I'm bringing y'all with me. I am at my lash appointment. Um, if you know, you know. My lashes look, they gone. They gone. Let me see. Yeah, they holding on by the thread. So we gonna go ahead and get these babies filled in. I normally get my volumes. I like a full look. I don't like nothing too dramatic and crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my volumes filled today, and yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all with me as promised, right? Self-care, right? And we're gonna go from there. I'm tired. Shit, I'm tired. How your day? How you been? What you been doing? Because girl, why this song? This is random, but let me tell you something. Hold on, this duty. Y'all know that song by Young Miami? Where all my scamming ass niggas at? Getting that money. 20s, 50s, 100s cash. Girl, go and that go, y'all bad. Boosting. Why is that song stuck in my head for real? I don't know. But, I'm finna bring y'all with me. Let's go up in here. I got 10 minutes. And usually when I go in there, they be like, oh, you want a snack? You want some wine? I don't want none of that. I just want to get my lashes done so I can get going. I'm going to take, I'm going to go to Six Flags. Take duty to Six Flags. I don't even think Momo can get on no rides for real. I don't know. But, I'm going to take him to Six Flags. So tonight, I'm going to have me some me time. Oh, okay. For real, because it is needed, baby. It is needed. I didn't do too much with my hair today. Honestly, if I'm being honest, I'm really ready to take my braids out. I only had them. May 30th will be a month. I want to take them out. I really miss my silk press. I really miss my hair. Although, yes, I am in the gym, I miss my hair for real. But that's neither here or there. I'll take them out. Y'all to help me take them out because I'm going to be on camera taking them out, talking to y'all, I'm sure. But yeah, my stomach was hurting when I first turned the camera on, but it has subsided for now. I should have honestly grabbed the ginger ale. I know I'm rambling. I should have just grabbed the ginger ale for real, but I didn't. Where are my scamming ass niggas at? And then tomorrow's my nail appointment, in which okay. People do the most. I think I'm gonna put my y'all, who else just be sitting in the car knowing y'all got something to do, and this just be like, girl, get out the car. I'm early. And I really don't like going in there for real. Like, I like for them to be like, at my appointment time, they call me back there. Like, I know if I go in there right now, it's, oh, she's still with somebody. Like, Chloe, come on. I need you to get with the program, sister girl. But yeah, I'm at Elite Lashes Head and Spa in San Antonio. So if you ever go there, I'm not telling you that it's cheap, because they do charge a little arm and a leg. I think my full set when I first go, when I didn't have no lashes, was $160, and my like fillings is like anywhere from $75 to about $90 or $100, depends. So yeah, I gotta really yeah, I gotta really budget for this. But anyways, we finna go in here for real. Where's my lip gloss? And I got my AirPods. I really forgot my headphones for real. Usually I bring my headphones and be kikiing with my music, and I damn near fall asleep. But I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. Probably because I was on the phone running my mouth for real, and I forgot. But it's okay. I can just use my headphones or my AirPods and go from there. Come on. Oh, this is my main line. This is my other one. Where all my skin pigments. Come on. 20s, 50s, 100s, cash. And do not judge me what I got on, baby. Okay, clothes is clothes, TT. Where are my scammy ass niggas at? And y'all know I just got a car wash yesterday. So TT is shining, shining. Let me lock the door. Come get your lashes done, girl. Get your lashes done, TT. Get your lashes done. Okay, so I'm literally waiting right now. And honestly, they do got some wine and stuff, but I don't want that. I honestly don't be getting wine here. I only get it when I go. Why does light on the like that? I honestly only go when you ready? Yeah. She almost ready. Yeah, I'll let her know that you're here. Okay. I just didn't want to interrupt you. No, it's okay. I come here so much. She remember exactly who I am, but yeah. Soon as I get out of here, I'm gonna go get the kids, and then we go from there. But okay, I see y'all in a little bit. Y'all see the before. This is the before. Okay. Addie got me together. It's hot as fuck. I should have started my car, bro. Shit, it's hot as a motherfucker. Shit. Damn, hold on. It's hot as fuck. You girl got them done. The ones and twos. Addie always do good. Honestly, this Addie's second time doing my lashes, and I literally told them, like, I want her to start doing my shits every time I come in here, because that's what I want for myself. What's going on? Sorry, y'all. But yeah, these are my lashes. And I'm actually gotta run to the store. Run to the store real quick, and then go from there. But yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what y'all think of this video, turn on your post notifications so that you could be notified. Oh, let me tell y'all my total. It was volume 4060 refill, and they gave me a 10% off discount, so it came to $101.97. So yeah, that was that. I always tell them, like, you at my military discount, you at my discount. If not military discount, then discount for sure, because I am a regular schmegular degular. But yeah, you know what I forgot to get? A brush. But I got so many at home, so I'll be fine. I never tried bottom lashes. I never tried bottom lashes before. Y'all ever try if y'all try bottom lashes, comment down below what y'all think about them. I don't know if that's gonna be my cup of tea for bottoms, but yeah. So I'm about to get ready and go put my music on and do my ones and twos, and I'll see y'all in a little bit.